Google Gemini can process text, audio, images, and video in seconds. But relying on the answers it generates, without a system to verify them, introduces a risk of factual errors. In this module, we will walk through the exact steps to navigate the platform, issue a command, and then check the AI's output against live web data to confirm its accuracy. To start, you only need an internet browser or the mobile app and a standard Google account. Executing this verification workflow is how you protect your work from fabricated information. Open your browser and navigate to the Gemini login screen to begin your first session. This diagram shows the two usage tiers available: Basic, which is free, and the paid tier, which runs on Gemini 3.1 Pro. The Basic tier handles everyday questions, simple formatting, and today's workflow. The paid tier uses advanced models designed for complex coding, handling large datasets, and deep research tasks. Selecting the correct tier ensures you have the necessary computational power for the task without overinvesting. This is the Gemini web interface. Notice the empty chat bar spotlighted at the bottom of the screen. Here you enter a prompt, the specific instruction you want the AI to follow. Let's execute a command. We will type, "Summarize the history of the Apollo 11 moon landing in one paragraph." Gemini is a multimodal AI. That means this same input bar can process text, images, audio clips, and video files. When we submit the prompt, the AI processes our request and generates a paragraph about the mission directly above the chat bar. That single input bar serves as a unified command center for multiple data types. Generative AI can sometimes make mistakes. When it presents false or fabricated information as a confident fact, it is called a hallucination. Trusting the initial output without checking it leaves your work vulnerable to these errors. We need to actively verify the claims. This is the tool designed to combat hallucinations, the Google It button, located directly beneath the AI's response. Clicking it triggers a scan, cross-referencing the text with live search results. When sentences highlight in green, external web sources corroborate those specific claims. If a sentence highlights in orange, it indicates a lack of external verification. This is a potential hallucination and should be treated with caution. Establish a strict rule for your workflow. Only utilize data that passes the green verification check. By consistently using this tool, you ground the AI's output in external web data, turning a potentially unreliable response into a verified research assistant. You have now successfully completed the 3 critical steps: setup, prompting, and fact-checking. The remaining verified text is now a trustworthy piece of research, ready for immediate deployment in your projects. In the next module, we will move beyond text prompts. We will input visual media, like this photograph of the Apollo 11 lunar surface, and instruct the AI to analyze its contents. True mastery of Gemini isn't just generating content, it is confidently commanding and independently verifying a multimodal intelligence.
Thank you for watching. For more professional AI insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to AI Corecast.